Do you need to replace the heatsink on your Dell G16 7630? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Then unscrew and slide out the bracket and 2280 solid-state drive. Now unscrew and slide out the bracket and 2230 solid-state drive. Then unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi antenna bracket. Next, disconnect the antenna cable. Now slide out the Wi-Fi card. Now unscrew and slide off the rear cover. Now disconnect the DC jack. Then disconnect the speaker cable. Now disconnect the right cooling fan cable. Then disconnect the left cooling fan. Now unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the USB board cable. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the LCD cable. Disconnect the dynamic display switch cable. Now unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard controller cable. Now unscrew and turn over the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the heatsink. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before replacing your heatsink. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.